we need to get rid of our negative exponents first. And we can't take that 3 to the negative 1 and move it down here to the denominator because it's a term. And you can't move terms, you can only move factors. So 3 to the negative 1 is 1 over 3 minus x to the negative 2 is 1 over x squared. Remember, if you move it to the opposite place it's in, it changes the sign of the exponent. Now move to the denominator, and that's 3 to the 1. There's nothing wrong with that. So leave that as 3 over y squared plus x to the negative fifth. That's going to be 1 over x to the fifth. And your secondary denominators are 3, x squared, y squared, x to the fifth, y squared, x to the fifth. So your least common denominator that we're going to use to get rid of our complexity would consist of 3x and y. The most of 3 shows up as once up here. The most in x shows up as 5 times, and the most of y shows up as twice. Is that right? Yes. So I'm going to multiply everything in the numerator by 3x to the fifth, y squared, and everything in the denominator by 3x to the fifth, y squared. And when you multiply that times 1/3, the 3's cancel, and you're left with x to the fifth, y squared. We're basically just multiplying fractions, minus here that x squareds will cancel, but it'll leave you 3 of them. So you're left with 1 times 3x cubed y squared. And denominator, you're going to multiply the first term, and the y squareds cancel, and you're left with 3 times 3 is 9x fifth plus, and then x to the fifth cancels, and you're left with 1 times 3y squared, which is 3y squared, if I can get my pencil to work right. I'm going to check my answer, and that is correct.